guys, in this video I'm going to present before you the recipe of our favorite chocolate. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Kit Kat. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. Our first ingredient is wafer biscuits. Second is milk chocolate compound. This is half cup of milk chocolate compound. And our last ingredient is Nutella. This is 2 tablespoons of Nutella. You can take any chocolate spread instead of Nutella. Here I have taken a clean and dry glass bowl and I have transferred the half cup milk chocolate compound into this bowl. And now we are going to double boil this and melt the chocolate. The chocolate has started to melt and stir it continuously for 30 more seconds and then turn off the flame. See how beautifully our chocolate has melted. Now we will let it come to room temperature and then use it. Now let's mix our Nutella in the chocolate. And now we're going to mix the two. Now it's time to coat our wafer biscuits. I have greased this tray with oil and put parchment paper. Now in the same way, we are going to coat the other wafer biscuits. I've coated wafer biscuits and now I'm going to put it in the fridge. And we'll keep it for 5 to 10 minutes to set. See how beautifully our Kit Kats have set. Now we will take them out. They're coming out very easily because we had greased our tray with oil. Cut the edges to shape it out. Extra portions and see how beautifully the Kit Kat has come out. So do try this recipe this Christmas and gift it to your loved ones. And for more such videos, stay tuned to my channel.